guys, let's try this again. 923. We're going to go live. $9.23. $9.23. Grab the list again. Yeah, I don't know what happened before, guys. Sorry, the dice roll never even loaded. Try this again. Gotta reset up here. Alright, here we go. 10 entries. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. There we go, we got a 12. Here we go. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times next. I think you got your numbers for the game. Good luck. And 12. Alright, here's the numbers for the game. I'll drop them at the bottom of the post. We are done. 9:24 p.m. Go back. We'll type done. We're done. 9:24. 9:24. Timestamp and the verification code.